Hello and welcome to Sunday Morning Builds with Bricksntech, and today we have got something different. We're going to do a Technic build, and it's going to be this Monster Jam grave digger. This is set number 42118, and it's a 2-in-1 set. So today I'll do, let's see, I'll do the grave digger, which is the bigger monster truck style, and then I will do the off-road buggy at a later date. So we get the two builds in the one. It also has a pullback feature. I believe that this has 212 pieces in it, and retails in Australia for $35, $34.99. I'm pretty sure is the price. If you do like this content, please like and subscribe to the channel. It would be greatly appreciated. I am going to do this as a speed build. Being a Technic, I'm not sure how the speed build will go, but that's how I'm going to do it. And open up the content. The packet's actually quite heavy, and I probably won't put any sticker elements on it. Just because if I'm going to build the second build, this is a sticker sheet, so probably won't put the sticker elements on it. We'll wait and see. But at this point in time, I don't think I am going to. The instruction booklet's a little bit larger, but that's to be expected if both builds are in this instruction booklet. Sometimes you have to do an alternate build, you need to download instructions separately. So I'll look through that in a minute. These tyres are huge, massive. 4 of those. So 4 tyres. 2 small packets with a lot of Technic elements in there, and then the larger packet. Okay, so 212 pieces, which is a little bit lower than a lot of the brickheads you get, and the cost of this this 2-in-1 set is more expensive than the brickheads. So the piece count, the cost per piece count, is quite a bit higher on this one than say the brickheads. And I reckon this is, let's call it the motor. This would be what would activate the pullback feature, and is probably what created a little bit of the weight. That and the tyres. Well, actually, the tyres are really light, so maybe the pullback feature is what created the weight in the box. It's not overly heavy, but okay, I'm going to set this up, and we will get into the build. Then we'll come back and do a review on the Monster Jam Grave Digger Technic set number 42118. Till the end and to watch the review. This build will look better with the stickers on it. I have decided not to put the stickers on it for now, but it will certainly, the color will pop on the build and make this look much more attractive. Couple of things here. The flag will bounce up and down and is easily removable. I thought that was interesting that's a movable piece. Anyway, this is a pullback, which does work quite well. So that's a nice little feature, and I was right with the that larger piece, heavier piece. That's the pullback feature in there. This was a long build. This took 50 minutes to go through, which surprised me. The Technic is a lot more fiddly, so I knew it would take longer, but 50 minutes surprised me. With a piece count of 212, I thought that maybe a half an hour build. I wasn't sure. I don't build much Technic, so I wasn't too sure on that, but certainly enjoyed it. And I think the modeling came together really quite well, and then the playable features of it, the pullback, is really cool. So highly recommend this, and I think I said $35 in Australia, but it's slightly cheaper than that, $32.99, $33, unless you can pick it up on sale. If you have a look at the wheels here, this is how they finish. You've got a little cap in there, but when I was going through the build, my first instinct was for it to be this way. I thought that was the natural way to show the rims, but no. If I did put it on that way, it wouldn't. It would hit other pieces in there and then wouldn't be able to ride freely. So that was an error on my behalf to start with. Don't forget, if you like this content, please subscribe, be greatly appreciated. Next time, I'm going to pull this apart completely and then build the buggy, the off-road buggy. So quite happy with this build and this set. There aren't too many of these around, or recently. There is another one which is exactly, it seems to be exactly the same. I haven't looked into too much detail, and I probably won't get that one to build if it's going to be the same. Just a different brand of monster truck, I think. So there you have it. Set number 42118, the Monster Jam Gravedigger. Pull back 2-in-1. Thanks for watching. Till next time.